Hi, this is a tutorial for MacBook users, those of you who are having trouble with downloading your documents that are Word and then uploading them to Canvas to submit. Some people have been having issues after they download the document. If they don't have the subscription to Microsoft Word, then they're not able to sufficiently submit the assignment. So there is a solution to this problem. All students are provided with Office 365. It's in their Clever. So what you do is a student will log on to go to Google search or Yahoo and type in Clever DCPS. The student will then click on the link and it will prompt them to go to their Clever page where they'll put their user information in. Now once you're here in Clever, you can go up to the search box and you can type in Office 365 or should I say Office Login or Login Office, and it should be the first thing that pops up for your resources. So once you click this link, it's going to then take you to the Microsoft Office 365, where on the left hand side you'll have a variety of options, whether it's Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Forms. Now I'm going to tell you to pivot back to Clever and to log into your Canvas, because this is where you're going to be submitting your assignments. So once you click on that, you'll then go to the class and you'll open up the assignment. So I'm using the assignment for imperialism. So you need to download that document. And once you download that document, your downloads are up here in this corner, the right hand corner, nearest to music, or it depends on what you have on your taskbar. But you'll download that. It will then be on your computer. Now once it's on your computer, we're going to look at the document that we're using, and it is going to be this particular document, Imperialism. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to click the autosave button before I even get started, because a lot of times you don't save it and you type into it, and then once you submit it, it never saves anything. So I'm just going to type any random thing in, and then it's auto-saved. So when it's time to submit that document, I can always go back and look into my Office 365, and here is that document. So now I know when I'm going to upload it, it's already saved for me. So now I'm going to go upload it. I'm going to start the assignment. I'm going to click the link, and it is in Office 365. So this is the type of file load. So it'll take me to Office 365. It may prompt you to log in. This screen will refresh after successful login. So I don't have this add-in, but what we can do is you can take a URL and so what you would do is you would hit this share button and copy the link, take that link and place it in where it says URL. So I use Command V. Wrong one. Sorry. So copy this link. There it is. Submitting the assignment, and it'll tell you submitted. Now, how I can check this is look at the assignment details and open up a tab to see if what we type actually comes up. And it does. So now you know that your submission is now complete and successful because what we typed earlier is showing up on that document. Thank you all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.